Welcome to Expert SEM knowledge sharing session. Today we are going to see a term known as GCMP, generally accepted manufacturing practices. If you want to follow a global standard or a practice, then many such tools are available. It is a group of practices and principles independent of any one set of techniques that define how a manufacturing company should be managed. In this aspect, it includes such elements as the need for data accuracy, frequent communication between the marketing and the manufacturing, top management control of the production planning related process, for example, sales and operation planning process, systems capable of validly translating high-level plans into a detailed schedules, and so on. So here we are going to see a set of rules which is followed by a leading organization globally. Today, GAMP includes such paradigm as just-in-time, theory of constraint, total quality management, business process re-engineering, and supply chain management. So these are all predefined, and possibly if you want to introduce any of these processes, you need to benchmark your operations with any of the globally best performing company, and this is where generally accepted manufacturing practices can be followed across all the domain. One such activity where automobile organizations are using is just-in-time or lean technology, and it can be adopted for any product manufacturing. You should know the process how this leading organization are doing, then it can be applied across any of the product manufacturing. Thanks for watching. Bye.